So welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing this hydro from Reverselabs. Now this hydro is pretty unique because it bolts right in to the factory location in the car, and it's a pull-up style handbrake. Yeah, we're just going to put this in and we're going to plumb it up and let's just see how it goes. So take my seat out of the car. Ah, fuck. And pull the center console out and get this thing in. So center console's out. It's like 13 mils, I think. I'll rip these out. It's actually a shame because this handbrake, the standard handbrake, actually works quite well. It's probably something to do with all those nuts on the thing, dude.
Wait, what?
All the spacers on the new. Hand tools, man?
Oh.
Of course it will. Yeah. So we're gonna swap this out. Hopefully this just works. So the new hydro thing we got, this doesn't bolt up to this exactly. One of them does, one of them doesn't. So we're gonna have to drill it out. Yep. So there is the 625 generic cylinder on the Reverselabs handle. I have to drill a hole, nut and bolt it. Yeah, gonna install this. So that's it. Like, it literally just bolts right in. You don't need to make up any brackets. Don't need to do nothing. Just bolts right in. Handbrake's right here. Pulls up. I would sit in it, but there is no seat. So now these two lines, these two holes, we're gonna run the brake lines from here down under the car, and then we'll meet you down there. So under here, we're going to cut this line, run one into the hydro, from the hydro back into here. We're just going to feed this down through the handbrake line, and then we're going to run it back down to where I need to cut it. So it won't fucking rub off the prop shaft.
Yeah.
It's a good job we did this because this brake line is actually leaking, so that's not ideal. I don't know how I'm going to actually do this. I'm afraid to disconnect this one because it might snap as well, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to tidy that up a little bit more, but there's the steel line, there's the copper line. The rack line's coming from the front, then it goes into the car. And it's in here, and now I need to run that into this. Talking an angle.
Probably better from the back seats.
And this is just a little fucked up. Bending it anyway. I won't even go on the thing.
Oh.
Fucked up. Just give me pliers, man. I like these really nice kits, the brake flare kits. They're just like a square. I don't understand how to explain it, but they're nice.
Damn, the quality on your face, man. Brake fluid. Your hand.
No, I see it, man. It's fine.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's mid. Okay, so when you're done this, you just get to
So it's not pretty looking, but it ain't leaking. And is pretty-ish, besides the hole in the thing. No leaks, so now we're going to bleed the handbrake, and yeah, should be mint. Wow, ba, ba, ba. There we are. So we got to the end of the job, and both bleed nipples snapped off, but somehow we managed to get them off and free them up, and now at Maddie's house he has he has nipples, and we're gonna go get nipples, put them on. Then we're gonna bleed the brakes and then do some mad skids. Not really.
What happened?
So that's the hydro installed. We bled it off camera, and yeah, it's pretty sick. Now just to test it out in a few minutes. And yeah, head gasket isn't deleted. Put up the footage there. So we just put some fans, wired them straight up, and we're good.